Why does your scanner show the P0132 engine code? What does it mean? P0132 is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor circuit high voltage bank 1 sensor 1. This engine code indicates that this means the engine control module, ECM, has detected a voltage reading from the upstream oxygen sensor that is too high. Under this circumstance, short distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor. Oxygen sensor heater circuit. Sensor wiring issues. Exhaust system leaks. Faulty PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda Civic, Nissan Altima, Chevrolet Silverado, and Ford Edge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.